Well guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be about Today's vlog is going to be about maintaining the Camaro ZL1 and what products do I usually use. I don't have all of them right now, but I'm going to name a few of which I have right here. And well, yeah. Guys, so right now we're using Ultra Shine. I don't usually use Ultra Shine. I use normally Voodoo technology, in which we have right here. They have a lot of like products, good ass products. And well, yeah, I usually use all of them products. This is a polish right now, cleaning polish and seal. And part of that, I also use this wet look crystallized Admiral, and very good Admiral. I highly recommend this. It's like $4.39, and well, yeah, right now I'm using this and Formula 1 spray products too, in which I'm going to show you in a bit. So let's get right to it. Okay guys, so this is one of the products in which I was talking about, the Eagle 1 product, wax as you dry. I highly recommend this product. I normally use Quick Detailer from Maguire, in which I wanted to change and try something different. Eagle 1, not Eagle F1, those are Goodyear tires. I highly recommend this. I'm going to show you the before and after on how it looks right now and how it looks with this, and it actually does a difference. So I highly recommend this. So yeah.
Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
Well, yeah guys, my cousin and I were cleaning the car. We're almost done. There's a little bit left in the booty. Yo, go to the booty. Booty please, booty. Yeah buddy. Well, yeah guys, I'm sorry for today's like vlog. Today's like a short vlog. I just wanted to like give you guys like a bit of an update on what are we gonna do like next week maybe. So I'm gonna show you now the X pipe and what products do we usually use, in which I already did show you, and how to oh yeah, pipe. It's a high flow X pipe from I don't know who, because it was a gift. So yeah, 3 inches, and yeah, let's see if this week or next week I'm gonna put it on to this, so stay tuned. We're starting up putting like good parts. I want to put some splitters on, and that's another video for next time. So yeah.